Let's see how to convert comments into leads using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show a live demo of how this actually works for a spa business, which is called as Forever Spa. So whenever a particular customer comments on your Instagram post or reel, we actually going to convert that particular comment as a lead. Without any further ado, let me show the demo how this works, and after that I will actually explain how this is built as well. So let me actually go to Chatting Media Instagram over here and add a comment over here. So to simplify, let me add a comment. Great. So it can be any comment over here, not just with some keywords or something like that. You can actually comment with any keywords. I want to make sure everything is active over here so that it can actually work. So let me open this Instagram comment automation tool over here, and it's active already. So let's test this one. So here it says I actually commented as, so here I commented as great over here. Let me open this one, see what happens. Thank you. If you have any questions or need assistance, if anything, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. So if I open this particular DM, it also actually automatically send a DM as well, and simply says, thank you for sharing your love for relaxation. Have you experienced our spa treatments? So actually, as I mentioned, this is related with the spa, Forever Spa, so that's why it's simply asking about a question related to the spa business. So they can actually choose yes or no. So here let me choose yes over here and see what happens. Sounds great. We offer a variety of spa treatments, help you to unwind. Interested in our current spa specials? So it simply pushes the customers with the special offers they actually have. So if they tap on these specials, let's see what happens over here. Excellent choice. Here are our current spa specials, and it simply sends us the offers related with that particular spa. So it says buy one get one 50% off, buy two get one free for third people on for 3 people only, and limited time offer only from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and this particular offer ends on the 31st of December, and also online booking is required. And at the end it says to claim, please provide your phone number. Reply with your phone number to receive a unique promo code via SMS. So to get this particular offer, they actually need to provide the phone number. That is where the lead generation happens automatically. So as you remember, we simply made a comment over here, and it automatically sent us a message and asking about whether they actually want to know about this particular kind of special spa offers, and if they show some kind of interest, it simply present the offers they have and also ask for the phone number as well. So once they provide the phone number, it simply send the code to the phone number as well. So type that out, 5673, and it should actually send us an SMS as well. Let's see what happens over here. And it says, thank you, we have sent you a unique promo code via SMS. Tap the button below to claim your spot. And if they tap on this button, it will simply take them directly to the booking page as well of that particular spa. So it's going to NYC Forever Spa, and it should open the booking page of that particular spa where they can actually choose whatever the service they need, and also choose the pricing, check the pricing details as well. They can actually book. So let me show the SMS we have received over here. This is the SMS we have received. It says, welcome to Forever Spa. Use the code IG10 at checkout to enjoy this particular 10% discount. Book here, and also it simply provide them a link to book the appointment directly. So it also even sent the SMS with the promo code and also the link to the booking the appointment. So now let me explain how this is actually built. So this is actually built using this particular tools over here. So here we have this Instagram comment automation. So using this tool, you can actually send messages to the customers automatically, and also reply to customers comments using AI as well. So here let me show how this is actually set up. So here we have this one Instagram comment automation setup as well. So let me open that particular automation and explain. So here it says track on all posts. So even it actually tracks the comments on all the posts. Otherwise you can actually choose a specific post as well, and private reply to the comment. So when a particular customer comments on your Instagram post or reel, what sort of message you want to send to them as a DM, so that is called as the private reply. And public reply means what sort of comment reply you want to add to that particular Instagram comment made by the particular customer, so that is called as public reply. So both of these as chosen as flows over here. So here the flow is named as comments to leads using AI. So this is the private reply. So if you remember, we actually received an option, or we received a message here saying, thank you for sharing your love for relaxation, have you experienced our spa treatments. So this particular message and everything, the flow is set up over here. And as you see here, it's simply set up with 2 buttons. If they choose no, it simply says no worries, and it simply get them back to the flow as well to see if they're actually interested in this special offer. And from here we actually ask for their phone number over here in the that will be saved in the phone number. And what we're doing here is that we are actually simply sending an SMS to that particular phone number. So if you remember, the exact SMS we have received is set up over here in this particular block. So if I show it, as you see here, welcome to our website, use the code, those kind of things. And also we are also sending this particular message in the Instagram as well, and also a link to book an appointment using this particular link is linked on this particular button. So that is how this particular private reply is set up. And in terms of public reply, which is the comment reply, so if you remember, when we add a comment on that particular Instagram post, we also received a reply from the AI as well. So here, let me show that comment. So this is actually responded to this particular customer using the AI. Thank you, simply like that. So if a particular customer asks anything about that particular business, it actually responds using that particular information. So let me show that. So here, public reply to comment is AI comment spa. So if I open that particular flow, we have this simple 2 blocks over here. So we are using the OpenAI integration, and here we are actually providing all the information about this particular business. You are helpful assistant to this particular spa about this business, and here actually tracking the customer's comment over here and saving that particular comment, or tracking the user comment. And also what we are doing this, we are simply sending this particular comment to OpenAI API and getting the response back as AI comment, saving that particular response in this particular field named as AI comment, and simply publishing that in a new message over here. And that this particular message, or this particular message block, will be added as the comment reply over here. So I can show another example over here. So what I can do is, if I simply ask about the opening hours, it should respond to us from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday, something like that. So let me ask, what are the opening hours? So it should actually respond to us using the AI over here. Let's see what happens. Let me open this back again, and it says our opening hours are from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. If you have any other questions or need, feel free to ask. So whatever the business information we have provided over here will be used to reply to that particular comment posted by the user. So that's how this particular public reply to comment is set up, and it says reply to all comments. Suppose if you want to provide a discount, and if you want to respond to the customers only with sort of specific comment, so let's say you can ask the customers to comment on your reel or post as discount or December or specials, something like that, and then that particular automation will be triggered only they comment specific kind of keywords in their comments. But here I have chosen all comments, so that means whatever the comments they post, this particular automation will run. So it will add the public reply and also private reply as well. And here you can even delay the reply as well. So here it's set up as immediately. If you want, you can delay the replies within like minutes, hours, or even random within 30 minutes. Those kind of things are possible over here. So that's how you can actually convert a comment or random comment on Instagram into leads using AI. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.